Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today, me and Erin are going to be opening eBay mystery boxes.
Again!
Well, we did Amazon last time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Today we have three. We have all different prices. $55, $35, and $30. That's what we paid.
That's a lot.
I have the most expensive one for $55. That's the most expensive one I could find this time. This one's $35, and then we have a smaller one for $30. So we're just gonna see like what all you get, and they all came from different people. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We hope you are excited to see what's inside because we have no idea. Stop. We just cut them open for the ease of having them open, but we have not gone through them, so we're gonna do it together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and we'll jump right in. Okay, I think we should start with the $55 box first.
Let's see.
So guys, okay.
Open it up. All right.
First, there's a card, and it says joy, and it says thank you, which I think is really endearing.
That's cute.
It is cute.
Oh my handwritten note.
I would stop shopping, but I'm not a quitter. You are classy, gorgeous, and deserving of the best, most beautiful, luxurious things in the world. Stay well and safe, beautiful. Camille.
That's so sweet.
Girl. She is so sweet. I can just tell already. She's a sweetheart. So this is the box that we're going to be going through. Let's begin.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
I cut it.
Here you go. You cut that. And then there's something in this pink little bag that I'll go ahead and open while Erin's cutting that. It says, hello, beautiful soul on the bag, which I think is so cute. Oh my gosh, in tart paper. Hello.
That's nice.
I know.
You got a good box.
Girl. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's the plaid edition of the Lights Camera Lashes. I love this mascara. I've been using it for years, and it is brand spanking new. There's not even a smudge. Brand spanking new. So,
Sticker.
ooh, girl.
Sticker.
What is that? A sticker? Where's that from?
I don't know. That's inside the package. I think it was on top of this. Oh yeah, look. Shall we open it up and see?
Ooh! Oh my gosh!
She put the matching
guys.
stickers with the palettes. Oh my god, this is so nice.
Wondrous Dusk to Dawn.
And then I got the Tarte Volume 3. What is this? Eyeshadow palette.
All right, so this is by Wonder Beauty. This is what it looks like, and it looks like a little face palette with highlighters and blushes.
Look how cute.
It looks pretty cute.
It looks really nice too.
It looks nice. Do you guys see that? Okay, what did you get?
I got the Volume 3.
Oh yeah, open
eyeshadow
it up.
palette.
Let's have a look.
Everything's so nice
I
and
know.
brand new.
Ooh, that's lovely. We love that. Okay, next we have the last thing in the box.
It's an Ipsy bag.
It's an Ipsy bag with stuff inside, so let's just have a look.
I gave you 2.
Okay, this is also in tart paper, so ooh la la.
It's so cute how she wrapped it all.
I know, it really is.
It's like Christmas. Open your presents.
Christmas morning.
Ooh, Estee Lauder.
Oh, perfectly clean. Oh, it's a facial cleanser from Estee Lauder. How nice. Love that. And this is the mini of the Stay Spray from Tarte. So it looks like everything. Ooh. We love that. This smells really good too. So love that in the box. And then I have another package to open.
I got a lip liner from Estee Lauder. How nice.
Love that.
Love it.
What color
Everything's
is it?
so nice. Let's see. 18 nude.
And number 18 nude. And then I got the Estee Lauder Nude Tease 112. It looks like it could
Look how
go with
pretty.
it. Yeah, so it looks like it's our liquid lipstick.
Swatch it. Swatch it.
Let's see. It's like a really pretty pinky nude. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that.
I like that.
Anyways, it looks really cute. Love the color. And so that was the last thing in this box. I think this box turned out really cute.
I loved everything. Everything's so nice too.
Yeah, she like
Brand
wrapped
new.
everything. Everything was new and it looked great. So I think this one was worth $55.
I think so too.
That was a good box. All right, Erin, you're up.
All right, this was the one that was 35.
This is a $35 box.
First thing that caught my attention. Look,
Those are so cute.
they're heart hoops.
They put a thank you note in there, which I think is really sweet.
Everyone's so nice with the thank you notes. Look how cute, and they seem so nice.
Yeah, those
Fill
are really
them.
cute. Oh, they do seem nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
I feel like we have earrings just like this.
We probably
but
do because you know I
but-
have an issue and like to buy all the earrings in the world.
She loves her hoops. If you could look in her drawer, I mean, it's just gold hoops. Crazy.
I
But
wear
these are
them
really
every
cute.
day, even if like I'm having a lazy day.
Look,
like I put hoops
look.
in.
Speaking of it.
Isn't that weird?
You have an obsession.
No, I don't.
You have an obsession.
Maybe I do.
We'll add these to her obsession.
What's next?
What's next?
Well, you got 2 brushes, so.
Let's see. I opened it up.
Okay. Ooh.
It's really soft.
Yes.
You want to put it on your...
I don't.
You do.
It ain't been washed. I'm just kidding. I use brushes on the top. I try to always wash my makeup brushes, though, for real, before I use them, because, you know,
You don't
give them a
know
little.
the touches.
Yeah. Give them a little
Oh,
clean.
look how nice.
Okay, this brush looks like it feels nice.
Yes, feel it. Feel it.
Oh, yeah. It reminds me of Eco Tools, kind of. Like, it kind of looks like an Eco Tools brush.
I think I know what you're talking about. Those are nice brushes, and this reminds me just like it. As you say.
Oh,
These are really nice brushes, though.
Okay, that's pretty good. Next, you got a palette. I think that's a
Icon.
super cheap brand. I mean, I'm not trying to be a hater. This was only a $35 box, so it's
Yes.
like, what do you expect? But
The shades are really pretty, though. Should I
let me see.
swatch?
you shall swatch. I think you should swatch some. Then we got the Glow Dewy Mist. It's coconut and arganol
Ooh.
from e.l.f. I feel like I tried the matte one in this, not the dewy one, like in a past video. By the way, comment down below if you guys want to see like an all drugstore face, or would you rather see a face of all new makeup that's like high end that I've gotten in PR and stuff. Anyway, so this is the e.l.f. Glowy Mist.
Spray it.
I see the UPS man. Hey!
I want to spray.
It smells like coconuts.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
I'm going to show my swatches. Swatch.
Let me see. Well, what do you think about it?
I think they're really nice. They came on really good.
Well, baby, there's more.
Well, baby, there's more. This palette isn't that bad.
That
What's
was really
this?
cheap. Oh, it's lipstick.
That's lipstick.
Cute. And then we got the Hydrating Lip Essence from e.l.f., which is because a clear gloss.
This lipstick isn't the best. I'll
However,
tell you that.
this is either old or it's been used because it's like already like, do you see that? It's like dried up at the top.
Yummy.
And it actually looks like it has like fibers or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to use this because I think it might have been used, but no big
And
deal.
this lipstick isn't the best either. I get the swatch and I kept rubbing it. So it's not the best, but I do like the packaging. It has little lips on it.
Okay, this is cute. This is an Ulta Beauty palette. However, it has a fingerprint in the...
There's fingerprints in mine too.
Well, there you go.
It is cute.
Well, we have more stuff, so
Let's keep it going.
I don't know what that is. What were you gonna not tell us her fingerprint?
I was like, maybe they were mine and I just didn't realize. This is
Okay,
really
that
pretty.
is like the prettiest thing that was in the box.
Yes, this is really pretty. I'm trying out the shimmer.
Yes, love that. Oh my gosh, so nice.
Whoa.
These are really pretty.
Look, this is the shimmer shade that was in it. How nice.
Yeah, that was pretty. Okay, love that. And then
Face mask.
you got 2 sheet masks, and then it's empty.
One for the both of us.
This is the Snail Collagen Essence Mask. So I'm going to give this one to Erin.
I like snails.
And then this is the Daily Fresh Squeeze Mask.
How cute.
Yeah, they're cute little sheet masks. So I think, okay, like realistically, I mean, I know things were like touched and like,
Maybe possibly used.
yeah, used. There was a lot in the box of drugstore makeup and different items, and you got your earrings. So what do you think overall about the box?
I honestly,
$35. Dual hairs.
I think it's a good deal.
Do you think it's a good deal?
Yes.
You missed something in this.
Oh my
Girl, rewind it. We gotta go back to the $55
god.
box.
Rewind.
You cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted.
I thought you would get it.
She tried to do the seller dirty and hide things.
Baby, her box was already good,
It
even
was.
without that.
I love cotton. Look what you missed.
Let's look at it. Is this the blush?
I think
No,
it's the
it's
shadow
the cute
stack.
All right.
These are bomb, by the way. If you haven't tried the Kaja, like, what are they called?
Little stacked eyeshadows. Look.
Eyeshadow trio, I guess. This is the 05 Azalea. So pretty.
It's the cutest thing ever. I love this.
I love that too. That just made that box even better. Okay, back to the $35 box. You said you think it's worth it?
Maybe. If the things weren't touched.
If the things weren't touched, definitely. The things
Definitely.
being swatched already.
It's kind of a... not really vibing with that.
Yeah, it's not a vibe. So we have one more box. It actually came in and it's really small, but it was only $30, so we have to remember this, okay?
Let's see. It is really small.
I'm looking at my eyeshadow as well.
Get her out of here. Get out. Out the window. Okay, so the first thing that caught my attention was the mascara. The LA Colors Dramatic Volume Mascara.
Love that.
Really nice.
And then we have something from Believe Beauty. This is the new brand. What kind of new brand? At Dollar General. So let's see.
I love how you keep up with this.
Baby, I know.
She knows the makeup, y'all.
Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette, and it actually looks really pretty.
I'm gonna swatch this purple. Got my attention. Oh, look. It is nice.
Yeah, it is nice. I mean, they're like a little bit fallouty, but
That's okay.
Erin's into it, so
I'm into it. We're all into it. Don't lie to yourself.
Girl, we love fallout.
We love fallout.
Yes. Yes.
What is this? Oh, NYX Lip Oil.
Okay,
What?
love that. Get that open.
I need to open it.
We did get a foundation. Unfortunately, it is not our shade. I've had a lot of times in the past. I mean, if you guys ever want to make a mystery box or think about it, they just, as soon as you order, they ask what's your shades so that they can make like a custom box if you do have things like this to give away. So I think that's a better idea to do so products don't go wasted. But I will definitely pass this along to someone else that can use it.
Paradise Fluff Lip Oil. Whoa!
That's pretty cool.
Whoa! Should I test it?
Yeah, sure.
I'm scared.
Man, just do it. Don't be scared. You already have so much on your lips.
I know. Hold on. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, does it smell good?
It doesn't really smell like anything.
Doesn't
But it
have
is
a smell.
nice.
Yeah, it looks cute on you. It's like bluish. All right. The next thing that came in this box is the makeup removing towelettes.
I'll definitely be using this right now.
Yeah.
Look at my hands.
It's a fresh pack of makeup remover. We love that.
Nice.
And then the last thing
In
the box is the glow setting. Dude, do you know that we got a setting spray in every box?
What? Setting sprays really come through.
Really coming through. Yeah, this glow setting spray from Hard Candy, and you can find Hard Candy at Walmart. So for $30, I think that this box was actually a little better than the
35.
Yeah.
I
Like
think
more
so
useful
too.
items. So
Especially since stuff wasn't used either.
yeah. So this kind of goes to show you never know what you're gonna get, especially just like based off what buyer you get. So with that being said, read reviews because I don't. And I don't.
She just be clicking and buying.
That's right, girl.
Lordy.
Lordy. I read a really funny Amazon review the other day. Those get really funny. But that's besides the point. Anyways, that is it for this video. Let us know in the comments what you thought about each box and if you thought it was worth $55, $35, and $30, or if you thought it was like not.
Which box was your favorite though?
Definitely the $55 box.
The 55. It had really nice stuff and it was all worth it.
It was the best of the best. With that being said, that is it for this video. I love you guys and we'll see you later. Subscribe before you leave.
Bye,
today. She says she's still going. I'm sorry.
She's still going. Get her out! Get her out!
All right. Bye, guys.